Hey, what's up, everybody, and welcome to another. Oh my god, it's in my stomach! And today we are having nothing in my stomach as I have been fasting all day. It is currently 7:14 p.m. and I'm about to eat dinner soon, so I am at the very tail end of me fasting. And what better way to hear what is inside of a stomach then when there's nothing going, it's churning, it's needing something to digest. It's like, feed me, I need something, what are you doing? And yeah, so it's gotta be making some kind of noises down there. Now, for those of you that don't know anything about this video series, Oh My God, It's in My Stomach is basically taking these microphones right here, place them to my stomach, and we'll hear the gurgling, the churning, the craziness that is inside of the stomach. Now, this video is inspired by a viewer of mine who commented asking what my stomach would sound like with nothing in it at all. So big shout out to Cat Irons Bays. He goes at the handle Cat Iron Couture 3840. So thank you very much, Mr. Cat Iron. And so now I'm going to take these microphones, and as you're not able to hear what is happening inside your stomach, these microphones will. And when we watch this video back, we will hear exactly all of the craziness and the war zone that is inside my stomach. So without further ado, let's go. So anyways, there you guys go for another edition of Oh My God, It's in My Stomach! I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully we picked up some pretty interesting sounds. The human body is a crazy thing, so I enjoy doing these scientific style videos. They're always fun. Anyways, if you have any requests of what I should put in my stomach next, make sure to leave a comment down below. And yeah, we'll see. Some probably like some White Castle burgers would be just crazy. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I am DJ Glowing Ice, and thank you Cat Iron Bays for the request. And I will see you guys very soon.